My experience would probably be higher than what's reviewed. And I look at it now 8 months later, and it's the best decision that I've ever made. And I think overnight, my confidence just turned around. So yeah, I smile all the time now. I have no problems. I don't put my hand in front of my mouth anymore. My name's Andrew. I'm from Australia. My teeth are naturally brittle. I guess that was hereditary. In the work that I do in Australia, we sometimes have to do videos. I didn't really feel comfortable to do those videos anymore because of my smile, or I'd find myself putting my hand up when I smiled. And I think overnight, my confidence just turned around. Yeah, I smile all the time now. I have no problems. I don't put my hand in front of my mouth anymore. Because there's a lot of dentists on this street, I looked at the reviews to see what other customers had said about the clientele, staff, and the reviews were really promising. So yeah, that's why I picked WinSmile. My experience would probably be higher than what's reviewed. The treatment of all of the staff through the whole process last time was phenomenal. They were even sending me messages when I was at the apartment to make sure that I wasn't in pain, that I'd had dinner. The next morning, they were messaging to make sure that I was still okay. So yeah, it was really good. He's looked after me a lot. So he's made me feel comfortable and welcome. From the first interview with the specialist, he really helped do a lot of the translating from the specialist to myself. He gave me some really good advice. So it was 4 or 5 hours on day one, doing all of the pre-work. Day two, there was nothing, because day two, it was your team were actually building the teeth and cutting the teeth. And then day three was assembling. The process itself, I was actually really pleasantly surprised at how well everything went through each of the days. I would say the aftercare, in Australia, they've got really good medical systems. They do look after you, but it's in the moment. And then once you leave, then you're on your own unless you actually ring and say that there's a problem or you're in pain, where I felt that was quite different here. The after event care was just as important for WinSmile as the care while I was with the dentist. Research, do research. I know that there's always going to be that fear going to another country of, is it going to be safe? Do your research. I mean, there's going to be a lot of people out there that will say that it is, but to me personally, the reviews didn't lie. A lot of people will put the truth when they do a review because I felt comfortable.